Funny sounds. Lots of color. What am I speaking about? Cartoons, of course. Let's find out how we can practice our English by watching various cartoons. Sounds like fun, right? Let's go! Dora the Explorer. I'm sure many of you know this curious little girl and her monkey named Boots. They travel over rivers and mountains, and while exploring with Dora, she'll teach you some simple words and phrases. She'll repeat it quite often during each episode, so it makes it easier for you to remember. It's Super Pig. No, it's Peppa Pig. You'll get to know Peppa Pig and her friends as they go on their daily adventures. Sometimes Peppa even goes swimming, sailing, and sometimes she gets into a little bit of trouble. But what makes Peppa Pig so special is that she uses very simple language and sentences so that everyone can understand it easily.
As part of 1 hour of Peppa Fun. Wow! Featuring your favourite milkshake present.
Give me your A! Give me a B! Oh, Word World. Word World is one of those shows that you'll just love watching right from the start. Everything in Word World is made up from the letters that form the names of places, objects, and animals. So, through the entire show, you'll see how each word is spelt. What a unique way to practice your spelling. Woof, woof, woof. That was me trying to speak dog. Not good, I know. Martha Speaks is about a dog who learns how to speak after eating some alphabet soup. How cool would it be if we could all just do that? Eat some alphabet soup and we can speak perfectly. But lucky for us, we can't do that. Or unlucky for us, we can't do that. But Martha Speaks is very, very interesting as she explains the words before and after each episode. She also uses the words continuously during each episode. So it makes it a little easier for you to remember all the new words. Martha rocks.
Martha was an average dog. She went and.
It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Word Girl. Word Girl is a brave little girl who uses English words to catch bad guys and girls. Word Girl is not only brave, but she teaches you new vocabulary as each episode goes along. So pay close attention to which words she uses to catch the bad guys and girls. I love Word Girl because it's not only fun, it's also filled with a little bit of action. Pow, 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 pow! Phineas and Ferb. This is one of my personal favorite cartoons. This cartoon looks a little strange once you start watching it, but once you get into it, you'll soon realize that Phineas and Ferb are two half-brothers that are just having one amazing summer together. Phineas and Ferb often get into a lot of trouble, but they're also very, very creative. Phineas and Ferb is one of those cartoons that you'll never stop watching no matter how old you are. It's not just funny, but it's educational as well.
Good things must come to an end.
This is it, Candace. The last day of summer vacation.
We're thinking a grand finale is in order.
Could use
Children's cartoons can be really fun to watch, and most of them are really educational. Check out my recommendations to practice listening to English. And we hope to see you at the safest place on earth, the Novakid classroom. Bye-bye for now.